Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of payment method on Uber app. You will click on settings. In this page, you can enter two apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you can search about Uber and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can search about Uber app and you can update your app here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.